Hey guys, ngayon, natapos ko na yung double jump tower. Let's do this. Cellphone ko, huwag ka maglalag ha. Huwag ka maglalag. Lord. Lord, sana nga. Mapasa ko dyan. Uy! Hey! Scary. Ah. Yes. 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 Hindi na lang guys. I can beat this tower, bro. Yes, I survived.
Bro, don't worry. You're safe now, okay? Let's go, bro.
Where am I, bro?
Kapatid
Where
kita.
am I, bro?
Are you kidding me? You don't know this place? You're my brother and your brother. Oh, come on.
Mama, sino po siya?
Mga anak.
Guys,
Bigla, ha?
I beat the tower, guys.
Asawa ko.
Support me always and I will
Alam
beat
mo, hika kayo?
what you want tower. Ay, English pa. Basta tapusin. Comment lang kayo. Kahit anong comment nyo. Gagawin kong tower.
Diba?
Thank you, guys.
Bro, kanyari. Kinasal daw kami sa Japan eh.
Paalam.
Are you sure? I know you're brave,
Papaalam
huh?
na
You are my
ako.
brother, huh? You are different, man.
Paalam na ako, guys. Huwag kalimang mag-like, comment, subscribe. Bye-bye.